Hey, how's it going? So the bears, the crypto bears, the individuals, organizations, companies that make money on when things go down have showed up. They're here today. You can see them. The market's down 3%. Oh my God, Austin, the sky is falling. Do I need to go hide under my mattress or wherever it is that you hide whenever you think that the world is coming to an end? Where would you go hide? I don't have a basement. I don't know. I guess I can't get under my mattress because it's got like the thing around the bed, like a little headboard thing. Where would you go hide? Where would you go hide right now? Sorry. Complete random thought. All right. So obviously the Bears have stepped in, guys. It is not a sky is falling, the end of the world thing happening. It is simply not. We are looking at an expected correction. Not really hugely surprising. I haven't looked at Wall Street yet, so let's ping that. Let me refresh this and see what we have going on there. So yeah, the Dow's down 44, the Nasdaq's down 79. Nvidia slides amid China antitrust probe. We've got the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report, coming out later this week, so that will most likely have an impact on crypto. But this, quite frankly, is a profit-taking scenario, a little bit of a push down, a move down, not really anything to be concerned about. In fact, you can kind of look and you can see if you resort on the 24-hour, our top gainers are Floque Pepe, respectively up 7% and 5%. And the ones that are moving down the most out of the top 100 as far as percentage gains are Kaya, Popcat, Helium down 11, 11, 10 respectively. Not a lot of volatility or major move down here is really what I'm trying to say, right? So again, a profit-taking days. Actually, and we just got back another. We were at 3, now we're at 2.6. But again, not anything really. Honestly, there's nothing here to look at, right? Move on, folks. There's nothing here to look at if you know that reference. We need days like this, right? We need the days where things kind of go sideways a little bit to consolidate. If we look at Bitcoin, it's really been consolidating since around the 22nd of November. It's tried to break out here one time. You can kind of see it right there. But it has since fallen back, and it is now back trading kind of in that tight pattern where we've seen Bitcoin trading as, it has dipped down into the 90,000. In fact, it wicked down right here to 90,500. But the trading range for the last, since the November 22nd, has been trading between that 95,000 and that 98,000. So it's pretty tight trading range, a breakout, but it's since been pushed back. Again, nothing really here to see, folks. We know that this is expected. But truthfully, anytime the Bears have really tried to take over and really tried to push things down, it really hasn't happened. I think there's way too much bullish support across the board in all major cryptos. You can see it like as an example, XRP right here as an example has really, whoa, that's not the right one I meant to grab. XRP is consolidating as well. You can see it kind of trading in that range. So if you kind of look at that, you can see, it's been trading in that range since about the 2nd of December. But before that, I mean, and obviously we all know about what happened with XRP. We had that pretty significant run of 407% in approximately a 30-day time, right? And so the overall market has continued to I'm going to say the overall market has bullish underpinnings or bullish support, right? And when we have days like this where we do see the Bears kind of step in on a short-term intermediate basis, there's not a lot of move down here. Now, this is all said as a baseline, and I always like to be that voice of cautious optimism. There's always that if scenario. And what is that if scenario? That if scenario is we get anything kind of bigger, more negative, cataclysmic. Cataclysmic's a little bit of a strong word. That's just the word that came to mind, but a more of a macro event that impacts things on a more of a global financial scale will bleed over and will impact crypto. Now, if you look out from the remainder of December, we've got Christmas, in essence, a global holiday. We tend to be flat during that period of time, but January coming around the corner, we've got Trump taking office. We got a lot of things kicking off. We got a new SEC chairman on January 20th coming in. So I don't think that the Bulls are going to let the Bears take a lot of momentum or a lot of things off the table. I think if I was just kind of guessing here, and I'm talking about this number, 3,570,000,000,000. We might have a couple of $100 billion downside risk here. I'm not talking about the overall market, that we could see the bears take that off the table. But again, the bulls will fight back and claw it back at some point in the near future. Okay. So yeah. So there you go. So I think we're fine. I just, the Bears have stepped in today. Let them have their day. Let them have their time, because they're certainly not going to take the overall control of the market like, quite frankly, they did in 2022 and 2023. Okay. So if you're interested in giving even more support and help with trying to make more money in crypto, you ought to think about trying out my trading indicator. It's the signal right here that's giving these green momentum up. That's a buy alert. These red boxes are sell alerts. This is if you want to do some swing trading and make some more money on the side while you're, in addition to maybe your long-term crypto investments. Look see where it said, like, let me show you this. It gave a buy alert, and then that's a sell alert. So in 18 days, it went up 194%. So buy, sell. And that's, by the way, how it works. You can set up alerts that'll come in on your mobile phone or your computer, or wherever you want them to come. It'll literally say buy XRP, sell XRP, right? So in that scenario, in 18 days, 194%, $1,000 bought on that green one, that green buy box would have made you a profit of $1,940 in 18 days. Well, how much would $1,900 impact more your life? How much would change in your life if you had that, right? That's how you need to think about it. And that's only in 18 days. And then you can see XRP consolidated. And then there was another buy alert all the way up to here. And that's a total in 29 days of 417%. The same $1,000 bought, sold would give you a net profit of $4,171 in 29 days. Okay. So that's what the software does. It helps you know when to buy and when to sell any crypto. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, HBAR, XLM, doesn't matter. It also works on stocks. Let me share that with you here. Like, here's the XLM chart. Like, this is XLM. Look at that. This is a beautiful thing. There's a buy all the way to that sell, 513%. And this is the Netflix chart. So you can see it working with Netflix. Like right here, you can see this buy alert right here. There's a buy, sell, buy, and there's another couple more where along the way. But overall, in 122 days, 49%, and that's Netflix. You can use it on any chart, any stock, any crypto. It runs on any mobile device, Android, iPhone, runs on any computer. You're good to go. Okay. So there's a link in the description below to get access to it. There's a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. And if you use the discount code SP1 at checkout, you get a great discount. It makes the software cost about $1 a day. And you spend more than $1 a day on junk that doesn't make you a penny. So why don't you take advantage of this? Try it for 30 days. You don't like it, you get a complete refund. So you have zero risk in this, zero. And you get to try it. Okay. So this is the thank you page that you see after you check out, and after you're done, you immediately arrive here. There's like 7 videos that show you step-by-step how to set it all up. And then this last video right here is how to create those alerts I was telling you about, right? So it's how to create those alerts that tell you the perfect time to buy, perfect time to sell, and all that kind of stuff. So if you're watching this on X, the link's above. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link's down in the description. Go grab it, give it a look. See ya.